Hello, everyone, and welcome again to this week's edition of Crypto News. I'm Paulo Santoshi, and this is week 40, and we are going to see the summary of the Crypto.com news of the week. But before we start, let's pass on the channel video. Okay, let's do this. Let's see the blog. So the first news of the week, we have Maker now available for soft staking at the Crypto.com exchange. Maker, as you might know, it's the governance token, for example, for DAI. So it's a very good project that you should at least investigate to see if it's a good investment or not. But besides that, if you buy Maker and keep them on the exchange, you can earn up to 2% per year on your Maker deposit and held in the exchange in your trading accounts. So the rewards are offered on a flexible term and no commitment period is required. The interest is paid daily in the respective cryptocurrency. And also the funds placed in pending orders are also included for the calculation of the interest. So this is the first news, Maker available and available on the exchange for soft staking. Then the second news of the week, as you might remember, SuperCharger had the first event at the exchange started this past week at the exchange. And to celebrate it, Crypto.com has a giveaway, a sweepstakes giveaway on Twitter. So to be able to participate in this sweepstakes, so the period is 1 month 2 months from the 30th of September. So the second news of the week is about the SuperCharger giveaway on Twitter, on Crypto.com Twitter. So the sweepstakes, it's to celebrate the launch of the SuperCharger event on the exchange that occurred this past week with Uniswap this time. So it will last 30 days from the 30th of September until the 30th of October. And to be able to participate in this sweepstakes, you just need to follow the official Crypto.com account on Twitter, like the original Twitter sweepstakes post that I'll show you right away, retweet it, and put your referral link in your Twitter bio. Each entrant can only win once, okay? So this you should take into account. Let's have a look at the tweet I mentioned, so you know which one it is. It's this one. It was published on the 30th of September. It's the tweet about the SuperCharger event going live, and you just need to retweet, like, and follow for a chance to win $1,000 in BTC. And also don't forget to put your referral link in your Twitter bio. Okay, so let's get back to the blog. And let's see what's the next news. So this time it's Yearn Finance that's listed on the Crypto.com app. As you know, you can buy at best prices, the best market prices without any fees or markups on the Crypto.com app. and this is a nice new coin that you can buy, new token that you can buy on the app. Wi-Fi is a suite of decentralized finance, DeFi products, focused on creating a simple way to generate high-risk adjusted returns for depositors of various assets via best-in-class lending protocols, liquidity pools, and community-made yield farming strategies on Ethereum. So this one runs on Ethereum like most of the DeFi products. So Yearn Finance, another one that's available on the app. Then the other news of the week, we have another Syndicate event, this time to the listing of the Band protocol on the exchange. This Syndicate event for Band will be with $500,000 allocation at 50% off, with a 50% discount, and will start on the 6th of October. So Crypto.com is pleased to announce the listing of Band protocol on the Syndicate platform, and also to celebrate that, you will have the Syndicate event. So Band protocol is a cross-chain data oracle platform aiming at aggregating and connecting real-world data and APIs to smart contracts. So Band protocol is like Chainlink, for example, on the Oracle's business. So it will be on the listing will be on the 6th of October. The pairs will be Band USDT and Band Crow. Like I said, there will be a total Band supply of $500,000 worth of Band, with a discount rate of 50%. As you know, there are some rules to be able to participate in these Syndicate events. One of those is the CRO staked on the exchange you have. You need a minimum of 5,000 CRO staked on the exchange to be able to participate, and 5,000 trading volume, 5,000 US dollars in the past 30 days. If you are on this level, you'll be able to pledge up to 500 US dollars, more or less 3,000 Crow for your Band Syndicate. If we go up to, for example, 1,000 Crow staked, you'll need 30,000 US dollars trading volume to be able to participate up to 25,000 US dollars. That's more or less like 150,000 Crow. Okay. Remember that the trading volume is calculated daily at around 1 o'clock UTC. And here are, so the trading volume can take up to 1 hour to calculate at the most. So expect around 2 hours UTC to have your trading volume updated. So these are the timeline for the Syndicate event. It will start on the 6th of October at 6 a.m. UTC, and will end the first 24 hours at the 7th of October, also at 6 a.m. UTC. So this is the subscription period. You'll need to reserve your Crows on the exchange, on the Syndicate page, to be able to participate these first 24 hours. And then after the calculation and the distribution on the 8th of October, you'll need to enter at the exchange to accept or refuse your distribution. If you accept, you'll receive your corresponding part of the Band tokens on your exchange balances, and also your CRO refund immediately will be distributed to your balance, and you will be able to trade it or send it to the app or send it to external wallet, whatever you want to do with them. If you refuse, you'll get back all your CRO that you used for the subscription of the Syndicate event. Again, there are only 24 hours for the acceptance or refusal of the Syndicate distribution. At the end of the Syndicate, if you haven't accepted or refused, your refunds will be made immediately to your exchange wallet. Okay, so this is a new Syndicate event this coming week, the 6th of October. Another great promotion from Crypto.com, another great campaign, Stake Up to Gear Up with the Crypto.com app. So this one goes in the Crypto.com app. Enter to win the newest Apple gear. So you'll be able to win the new iPhone, the new iPad Air, and the new Apple Watch Series 6. To be able to participate, you only need to stake at least 1,000 CRO during the lucky draw period. If you staked before the campaign, you are also eligible. The period campaign is from the 1st of October until the 14th of October, and the participants must buy CRO so to earn entries in the lucky draw period. If you buy 1,000 CRO, you'll get one entry, 5,000 CRO, 2 entries, and so on and so on. You need to buy CRO and hold them until the end of the lucky draw period, because what counts is the net buy. So if you buy and you sell, you're out. So what counts is the net buys, total buys, and also you can't withdraw, of course, those CROs because they won't count. Also, if you already staked CRO before the campaign and you upgrade your staking tier during the campaign, you double your entries to this Apple contest. Another news about the Crypto.com releases the Italian version of its mobile app and exchange. As you know, there were already some languages available like French, Spanish, and Korean, and this time it's Italian that's available. So good news for the Italian community, and also more languages coming soon. Let's see what's the next language to be available. Also a blog post about the Crypto.com September 2020 updates. So a summary of the achievements of Crypto.com during September. So as you can see, there were a lot. DeFi Swap is now live on the Ethereum mainnet. 15 ERC20 tokens are added to the DeFi Swap. As you can see, the main ones are available. Also 37 new tokens available on the Crypto.com DeFi wallet, 78 in total. Also the new event SuperCharger that was launched on the exchange, with the first project being Uniswap with a $500,000 allocation. Also the integration with Chainlink for powering the DeFi roadmap of Crypto.com for CRO. And also the localization of the app and exchange in French, Spanish, Italian, as we've seen, and Korean are live. And also, I think the news of the month, the new cashback rates for the Crypto.com card, we have up to 8% cashback for the Crypto.com cards, 8 for the Obsidian Black, and 5% for the Frosted Rose Gold and Icy White are already available. Also, another promotion, another contest this week, a Telegram live quiz to celebrate the localization of the app and the exchange. So it will be the 8th of October for the French, Spanish, and Italian communities. 8th of October at 3 p.m. Central European Time for these communities, and for the Korean community, 8th of October also at 10 p.m. Korean time. So please stay tuned for your corresponding communities to be able to participate in the live quiz. The prizes range from $100 in Crow for the top 3 winners, up to 25 down to $25 in Crow for the 11th to 20th winners. Here you have the links to your local communities if you aren't already there. So mark your calendars. 8th of October, we'll have the live quiz in the Telegram communities. And last, the news about a live video AMA with Sebastian Bourget, COO and co-founder of the Sandbox on Crypto.com, official Twitter and YouTube. There'll be a prize pool to share of 24,000 cents. It will be the 8th of October, Wednesday at 11 a.m. UTC. The host will be Maggie, the head of marketing at Crypto.com. And there are 3 sections during the AMA: the brief introduction of the Sandbox, the pre-collected questions and answers between host and guest. For those, you'll need to enter the questions here at this Google form. Sunday is the last day, for the 4th of October, and the Sandbox team will select 20 questions for the AMA to then distribute the prize pool of 24,000 Sand tokens. Participants must have, of course, a Crypto.com account in order to be eligible for the prize pool. Okay, and this was the last news of the week. I hope you liked it. Stay tuned to the promotions, stay alert to the promotions and the contests on Twitter, on Telegram. Be sure to participate. They aren't very hard to do, so you don't lose anything on trying to do that. So I say goodbye until next week. I'll do next week a Portuguese summary of the news. So I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.